Hi guys, I just came on quickly. I'm getting ready to go out of town to Arizona, Tucson, Arizona for my first residency. I'm a little excited, a little terrified because I don't know if I mentioned this the last time, but I've never flown before and this is the first time I'm flying. But my father heard about it. I know I'm grown, but my father decided that he was going to pay for one of my daughters to go because I wasn't going to pay the extra $500-$600 for another ticket. But so she's going with me. She's my 19-year-old, but she'll just be in the hotel, the resort, just chilling basically, because we have it starts I think 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, somewhere in there every day for classes or sessions. I'll explain the schedule later, but basically I'm getting ready to pack. So I did receive all of my carry-on suitcase, my backpack. In the backpack is RFID, supposedly protected from people who can scan your information. I have a RFID wallet. I have my quart liquids bag, neck pillow, all that stuff. So I'll just show you where I'm getting started. This is my clothes. Hold on. So here are my clothes, my outfits. This is my sleepwear with underwear under there. I'm not going to show that. This is what I decided to sleep in, sweats. And there's a sweatshirt if I get really cold, but just a messy hair, don't care tee with sweats because my daughter who's coming, she's a hot box. She's always hot. So for her, I will keep it cool in the room, but I get cold easily. So this is the container that one of my watches came in. So I'm just putting my jewelry in there. This outfit, that outfit, and extra outfit, because the last day I have my jeans that I'm wearing on the plane, and I'll be wearing them back on the plane. Our last day is that Sunday, and these are inside out, but our last day is that Sunday, and they're supposed to wear Walden gear with jeans or whatever, and we have to check out at 11 something, but the session doesn't end till like noon, so I have to take my bags, wear what I'm going to wear back on the plane. So I have my jeans and top there, my tennis shoes, but I'll be wearing a Walden shirt. I guess they're taking photos. So that's not only my airplane clothes, but also my last day, fourth day. But I did pack, so that's 1, 2, 3, but I packed an extra. This is a fancier blouse in case they want to go out that evening. It's kind of has a little peplum in the back. I didn't get my slides out, but I plan to wear those shoes for the most part. They said it's going to be a lot of walking. So my Steve Madden slip-ons. You can see that I have nail polish that took the color off my bed. And this is one of the tops. But if I need an extra outfit in case, because this is mostly all black, and these are white, I can wear any one of those tops, because that's just a black top and then the black and white squared pants. So I can wear any one of those tops with this, or I can wear any one of these tops with that. Any one of all these tops with that. If I need a fifth outfit, if I messed up something or whatever. But the only extra thing I need to do, because these are white pants, I have some thin slides that I can just slip in with those. But I also have some because I have some teacher shoes. I don't know if I've showed those before, but they're really thick. They're Allegrias, and they're black, so I can wear it with that. So I was wondering, should I even bring those if I'm bringing the Allegrias? But they're like sandals. The toes are open. You were supposed to do dress business casual, so I don't know if having my toes out would be really appropriate, so that's why I have the Steve Madden slip-ons, but just in case I'm going to bring those too, so that's an extra pair of shoes. But I also have the backpack and the carry-on, so I'm hoping everything will fit. And I always tend to overpack, but I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it, so I'm going to have it if it'll all fit and not cause me to have to check my bag, and I'll show you the rest later. Okay, this is where I am so far. This is my packing list that I hope to be able to go by. It seems excessive for 4 days, but yeah, this is all my laundry bag. I know this seems like a mess, and I'm going to get it together in a second. My luggage, my flight information, those plastic bags. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I'm going to put my shoes in grocery bags, because that's just a little tiny bag. This is what my suitcase came out of. There's this grocery bags with my backpack. And I did buy this awesome water bottle, if I can get it. It's called Life Straw. And it's an empty bottle. There it is, Life Straw. It's empty. It has a little flip top to drink out of. But they say, I guess you all probably know because you've flown before, but you can't take water on the plane, but you can bring an empty water bottle and fill it up after you go through TSA check. But it said the water on the plane itself is kind of gross. So if you fill that with water, well, anyway, basically there's a filter in there. It's like a portable Brita filter, Brita water container. But it's by Life Straw or by Vestergaard. And basically it filters any water that you put in there. Because I heard airplane water is disgusting. Unless you get bottled water, but I don't want to pay $5 for a water bottle. Then I have flight information, my travel clear suitcase, my luggage tags. No, those are my vitamins. Backpack, toiletry bag, liquids bag, a plug and charge I got from Dollar Spot or Bullseye's Playground, whatever. Drama bean, syrup, extra, yada yada yada. But I'll get back with you in a second. Okay, I'm getting ready to pack my clothes, and I purchased these. It's a set of 6, 1, 2, 3, and it cost me like $24 on Amazon.com. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna put in what, and see if it's gonna fit into my carry-on. So I'll check back with you after I stuff these things. Okay, so I think I'm finished packing, but I think it's too much. Look how thick this is. Is that gonna fit under the seat in front of me? I don't know. I think maybe I need to downsize or something. This is done. Snagged a hole in my blanket though. See, that's my neck pillow. It's attached to the handle, and my luggage tag with my information on the side. I was trying to go down my list here to make sure I have everything, but I did not even utilize this packet. This Travel Pro I bought from, of course, Amazon.com. Lots of pockets, but with everything I have stuff inside of it. There's these pockets I didn't even use because they were way too big. I do have stuff like this. Let me just tilt it over and open it. And I have these things here like medications, face wipes, mini first aid kit. And that was how much space shoes take up. But my Steve Madden, my slides after I get out the shower and walk around the hotel room. Then I have my leg reels way down to the bottom, the jewelry thing that I showed you. And this is my bottoms, swimwear, and pajamas. This is all of my tops. And just that, this bag is full. I think I paid $150 for this Travel Pro, I think. So let me show you the other one. And these, I paid $39.99 for this neck pillow. And I don't want to undo it, but it's Amazon.com also. And it's super comfortable. I had bought another one. The other one that it was huge, but it was too soft. And it like just flattened. So I used this pocket for some more disinfectant wipes for the plane, because I've heard those tray tables and buttons and whatnot are just filthy, disgusting. But this was also purchased on Amazon.com. I think I'm not sure how much I paid for it. I'll have to look it up. But snacks, mints, headphones, chargers. But I still have my other, don't look at the mess, but I still have my other chargers over there. My laptop is plugged in over there, so all that mess. My phone is plugged in over there. Some chips and air freshener and Kleenex. And I have bags down at the bottom, but my laptop came out of that. My purse I'll take that stuff out of. So that's just a mess. But anyway, so I have that, and then I have gum and more disinfecting wipes. And I don't sleep well. So I know I'm going to want to snack in the night. Hence the giant bag of jelly beans. And then in this pocket that does not zip all the way down, I have down there my liquids bag is full to capacity. I have an extra. I think I'm gonna have to kind of take some out of that because it's super full. I hope it fits my makeup, my toiletries bag, my noise canceling headphones, and this is attached to the bag itself because there's a USB port, and I can put the power bank in there and charge like my phone or laptop. And then these pockets I haven't even used. Then on the back, there's an RFID pocket. There's zips here. So I'm going to put my wallet in there. It's also an RFID wallet. So I think I'm covered. But I'm not quite sure if this is going to fit under the seat. So I think I might have to take some things out of there. So we'll see. And I'll check in with you guys later.